This is my Supergoose from about 1981 or something. I'm not really sure, but you can see it's got a chrome rim. Chrome's not in great condition, doesn't look very good. Chrome Susie high flange hub on the back. Over the front wheel. Front wheel's not too bad, but the hub's a little bit pink. It's faded over the years, so the rim's got brake rubbing marks on the braking surface, and the spokes aren't very shiny. So what I'm going to do, I've got this rim from a swap meet, or this wheel I should say, from a swap meet. I'm going to pull that apart and put this rim on the front wheel, and I'm going to put the front rim on the back. And this is the hubs that I got a while ago from a swap meet. So they're Susie high flange, nice and red, so I'm going to put those hubs on the bike. And these are some spokes I got, spokes and nipples, and my trusty spoke key, because the first job is to pull apart the wheel that I got from the swap meet. So here's the rim I'm going to pull apart. For those who don't know, familiar with wheels, or most wheels are like this anyway, because the rim down there with the nipple's got a flat surfaces on it. You use a spoke key to put over there, find the right size, 14, so that sits over there, a little notch in the spoke key. This one happens to use number 14, and that's how you undo them or tighten them up. The other side has got a flat screwdriver slot in it, so when they're a bit loose you can stick the screwdriver in there and undo them or do them up. So I'm going to get stuck into that now. Some people would just cut the spokes out, get some pliers or something and cut them out. I don't know, I probably won't use these spokes ever again, but I'll keep them anyway. There's the rim removed, and these spokes. I don't really need this hub, I don't know what to do with it. Probably just put it in the junk box. There's the hub. What is it? Not sure what that logo is. Die comp, I suppose. What does it say? VIA.